Let's see what this one has to show. Whoa. This one's even better. No? Yeah, so there's the cliffhanger. The famous cliffhanger, sorry. My God. I think it is, I mean, I have never come here at this time. So maybe that's why it's looking just so damn beautiful. Sun setting on behind, yeah, the shadow, the yellow patch. This looks brilliant. Wow, nice, good memories. And see, that is the beauty of, I mean, people do say, why visit the same place again and again? But you won't be visiting that place at the same time. Every time the sunlight, the sunset, the sunrise, it will be different. I have been through this patch at least 4 times and never have I ever admired a beauty where I wanted to kill myself by banging into the truck. It's just nice, lovely. So yeah, maybe next time it would be different. Maybe it would be cloudy, maybe it would be, I mean, I don't know. There's the beauty of mountains. At every turn, at every corner, danger awaits as well as beauty awaits. And every time you go to mountains, it would have a different view for you. So status update, it's almost 5 in the evening. Now I'll tell you, I was thinking of reaching Chitkul, another beautiful location, but it's not, I mean, I don't know, if it was summer maybe I would have carried on because it would take at least 2.5 hours, at least 2.5 hours. Being 5 at 6 the sun would start setting and I would have to ride in the dark. So, and I'm gonna keep stopping, clicking the pictures and all. So yeah, I missed it by 2 hours. Was maintaining a good pace, but the idea was to leave at around 3 in the morning. I did these calculations earlier. I left at around 5:15, 5:30, could not keep up, tried my best, but yeah, that's okay. We'll see what we will do. So I've just stopped here. Beautiful shade of the sunset. Just look in the background. Now they're building that new road. I don't know where it is going. It was not there last time. So, just amazing. Yeah, there is, roads are not that good from the past 10-15 kilometers. I think that's because of the landslides. Last time I was here was before monsoon, so the roads were kind of okay. That's a dam. Yeah, so they were like this, but that's fine. Just, my goodness, that's beautiful. That was close. Next stop will be Wangtu. I'll have something to eat there. And I'll decide what's next. I can get to Sangla. I think from Sangla, Chitkul is somewhere around 24. Sangla might be doable in the daylight. Maybe not sure. Let's see. So Wangtu is about 23-25 kilometers. But yeah, now we have a very good patch. So after all the off-roading and everything, now you can maintain a decent pace, sit down and relax and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the view. So again, this is the first time I'll be witnessing sunset while reaching Wangtu. Another charm of riding in the mountains. Every time you visit them, just visit at a different time, or your luck would make it happen as such that you won't be visiting it all in the same time. There are very few broken patches, but overall it's very smooth. Can't go too fast because rocks do fall, so at a turn you may never know. This was better than expected. This was where I was supposed to eat, I guess. Yeah, this is it. There were some restaurants here. Yeah, okay, time to eat. We'll catch up soon. So, had some meal. Almost 5:36 actually. Spent half an hour there, filled up the hydration bladder, filled up my stomach as well. Bike is cool, running at 31. It was doing 48. I know it does not give the accurate reading, but yeah. And the place where I had my meal was Wangtu. So now the plans are, since it's already 6, in about 45-ish minutes, that is what they have advised me, since it's October now, almost October. The sun just set in early. We might have light for another 45 minutes or an hour. Now, Chitkul is about, at best, without any stops, about 2 hours in daylight. Night would obviously slow me down, and if I remember last time, there were not many patches of road that were built. So, a bit of a dilemma. In 1 hour, maybe I can make it to Sangla. From Sangla, it is another 20-30 kilometers, Chitkul. So let's see. The idea is to get to Chitkul. Now on the left side of the river again, just my goodness. I love riding alongside rivers. I don't know why. Even when I go to Manali or Leh, whenever the river is next to me, it is just, I find it quite serene. Again, taken a right, we'll be headed to Karcham. From Karcham, we'll take another right. And the road till Karcham are like this only. Should be able to maintain decent pace. After that, it is uphill, single lane road, Sangla Chitkul all the way, and a lot of off-roading. Last time I was here, as I said earlier as well, it was about 3 months, 4 months back. There were no roads, so let's see. Maybe they have built some patches that can come in handy. It is a beautiful part actually. The reason for doing it in daytime is just to admire the spectacular view that the nature throws at you. In the night time, nah. I mean, if during the sunset, if I would have reached Chitkul, that would have been quite a sight. But obviously, that is not happening. But that's okay. When I return from there tomorrow, I'll get to ride in the daytime, so I'll enjoy the view at that time. No harm. We'll see. We'll see. Looking at these mountains, it's quite easy to get distracted and lose focus of what's going on the road. It's like stealing a glance, just taking a mental picture and then again coming back to the road. But this patch, I just love.